In today's video, we have a different type of unboxings. I unbox this every once in a while, and I absolutely love this subscription. This is the Lips and Lather subscription. What is Lips and Lather? Just stay tuned. In today's video, we have Akira, aka Kiri. And then we have Miss Aura, aka Ori, somewhere over there. Those are my two co-hosts for today. I unboxed the BoxyCharm and the Icon box. If you have not seen those unboxings, what are you doing with your life? Check them out. I'm telling you, spoiler alert, both of them were extremely good. I was very impressed.
This is what you're doing. This is what I want you to do. Any questions?
So there is a brand called Cut the Crap Cosmetics, and it's exactly what it says, cut the crap or organics. In other words, cut all that bad stuff that's for our skin and everything. It is a skincare line. Everything is homemade, and I really love all their stuff. It's organic, everything good for the skin, you know. They have two subscriptions. Where's my knife? They have a Lips and Lather subscription where you get like a homemade soap with a chapstick, and then they have the deluxe subscription. So I'm not sure which, I think this might be the deluxe one. I'm not sure because it feels a little bit heavier. And then if you don't want to purchase the subscriptions, if you just want to purchase something to try it out, they also have on the website, you can purchase other things in their shop. And the reason why I really like this subscription is because I suffer from skin problems, as you can see right here, and different things. And on my fingers, everything else, I'm starting to get it all over my skin. And so a lot of their lotions and soaps are very healthy for you. I think it's like goat milk or something like that. And it really has been helping me out a lot. There's not one thing that I've tried that I haven't liked. For instance, I'll show you that I use their stuff. This is their body butter. And look at this. I literally am just about done. And I use this for my hands because you see, and as you can see, it's not as red anymore, because if you've watched my videos, you'll see sometimes it's like almost like a purple color, but it's really helped my skin out a lot. It really has. So I absolutely recommend this subscription. I do. All right, so like I said, you got the Lips and Lather subscription, but this is the deluxe box. And so use code ANNISAWESOME, all one word, and it will give you 10% off your first box. And what I love about this subscription, you always get like a card and it tells you each month what it's themed, which I love. So for May, it says this box gets its inspiration from the resilient and beautiful succulents. Ooh, okay. I love that. If you want to read this, and it tells you what's in the box and everything else. So here's a little sneak peek. Not too much. You know, I like to tease a little bit, but you can't see anything because it's wrapped up.
Good one.
Okay, so the first thing, also in this box, you also get the deluxe box. You also would get what would be in the regular box every month. You just get extra stuff. So, okay. Ooh, what is this? Prickly pear and dragon fruit. Oh, facial oil. Oh, you guys know I love my oils. I love my oils. Okay. All right, that smells good. Not very faint is what I like for skincare. If you guys can see, it's just like an oil. And I love using oils at night, but during the day, I tell you in just about every video, I like putting oil right underneath my eyes. Very lightly though. You don't want to use a lot, because if you put too much on, then what happens is once you put your foundation or concealer, it'll slip. But you put that on, you just tap it in just very lightly, and you wait a few minutes and then put your stuff on, and I'm telling you, it works amazing. Oh my God, look at this. And like I said, everything is just so cute because she does it herself, you know? So, love that. Let's see what that says. Okay, so the prickly pear and dragon fruit facial oil for a power-packed duo that will leave your skin plump, smooth, and looking its best. This facial oil also contains vitamin C an antioxidant that can brighten dark spots and fade discoloration, and which is very, very true. I share it all the time that using vitamin C and stuff really lighten up my dark spots. You can hardly ever see them, really, so that's good. All right, so then we have something else. It's like Christmas, like, ooh, what we got? A little succulent, or is this a cactus or a succulent? Yeah, it's a cactus, right? I was about to say, what is this? Oh, it's a bath bomb. Okay. So this has aloe vera. It's another member of the succulent class, or clan, I should say, which is a cactus. Okay. Next. Aloe Rescue Hand Balm. Oh, yes, thank you. This will help with redness or anything like that. Remember, I told you that when I'm dealing with... How did you know me? How did you know I needed this box? I read the wrong thing for the bath bomb. Hold on, because I'm like, what? I'm so confused. Okay, so for the bath bomb, it says it will fill your tub with fizzy, fragrant, pampering goodness. You enjoy springtime yard work. The aloe rest... Oh. If you enjoy springtime yard work. Oh, I guess the smell and everything. Okay. So this right here, the Aloe Rescue Hand Balm, that's where it says it will save your rough skin with the power of aloe vera, and, all of that. So that's good. Let me open her up and see. Look at that. I love that. This would be good for your feet, too. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited for my hands. You know what you can also do when you put this on? Because it's for a balm, right? For your hands. And then put, gloves on. And you can wear this all night long, to really help out. But this is good for your feet, too. Put this on your feet and then put socks on. Okay, I'm really excited. All right, so we have a couple more items. It feels like a couple things in here. Oh, what you be? Oh, aloe after sun gel. We all need that for sunburn or what have you, or just to put on so your skin doesn't get dry. Oh, that smells so good. I'm definitely going to use this. Absolutely. And look at this. And it has cactuses and succulents on here. At first, I'm like, is that weed? And I don't smoke weed, but I went right to that. Here is the chapstick. Remember I said with the regular box, you get a chapstick and, what do you call it? Soap. So this is the Dragon Fruit Lip Balm. And I use their lip balms all the time. Like here's one right here. I have a whole bunch of them. I have stuff in the medicine cabinet, downstairs, everywhere. I really love I always say, if there's one thing to try, if you don't know what to, purchase one of their lip balms. I'm telling you, you would love it. Oh, that smells so good. You will love their lip balms. Okay, so we have that. Oh, this is so cute. I'm going to put this right on my pocketbook. Because you guys know if you watch my blog channel, I always have hand sanitizer. And that is just too cute. Okay. Then we have this, which would be... facial serum. Cactus flower facial serum. Yes.
Just calm down. Like, chill.
Provides lightweight hydration with cactus flower extract and other moisturizing botanicals. Layer this serum with the prickly pear and dragon fruit facial oil. All right. I'm excited. So these two. I'm so excited. Do you know what this will be good to for the chapstick? If you ever go out in the sun or what have you, and like you get your lips get burnt, you know what I'm talking about? Like when you first go out and you do that, because I have a habit of licking my lips all the time, so they're wet, and I get them burnt sometimes. They hurt. Well, this has aloe vera in it, so this will be great to take with you. That's why I'm putting it right in my pocketbook. Okay, and last but not least is their soap. Oh, I love their soap so much. This is nice. Succulent Garden homemade artisan soap. So let's open her up because this is going right in my bathtub. Oh, that smells good. Here's the ingredients if you want to screenshot that. But look at this. Just go like this right quick because I don't want my hands to get soapy. Look at that. Wow. I love this. And it lathers up really, really good. So if you just get the regular box for May, these are the 2 items you would get. And then this would be the deluxe box. So remember, in the deluxe box, you would always get what's in the regular box plus extra stuff. So let's recap everything. I am just so excited this month. I really, really am. So you get the chapstick and soap. You get the serum and face oil. You get the, what you call this again? The Aloe After Sun Gel. I'm really happy for that, especially my shoulders and stuff. You get a cactus bath bomb. And guess who will use this? My oldest son, Tyler. He loves taking baths and bath bombs. I know. So I'll give this to him. And then I am so excited to try this hand balm. So, oh, I caught it. That was pretty damn good. This. I really love this box. I don't get it every month. This is gifted to me, but I'm telling you right now, every time I get it, I'm excited because I use everything in it. I really, really do, and it's really helped my skin. I am the first to tell you that if you definitely have hand issues or eczema or anything like that, this is the box to get, honestly. Or if you just want to try things, remember, go to her page and look up shop. I think it's on the right-hand side, and then try some of the items and see if you like it or not. You know, they have sample sizes and stuff. But yeah, it's everything. Don't forget to use my code Anna's Awesome, all one word. I'll leave everything in the description box. Let me know, have you tried this box? Are you interested? Let me know down below. And that is everything. Please thumbs up the video or thumbs it down. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps out with engagement. Even if it's just an emoji, it would mean the absolute world to me. I'm really trying to grow this channel. Right now, I am like shadow banned. So any engagement would help. Check out my vlog channel, Just Anne's World. I will pin a comment if you're interested. And yeah, that's everything. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. It's like I'm excited to take a shower now. Yes, I am. That did not sound right. I shower every day, I promise. Bye.
That's all, folks.